Hello my friends from YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this LG-450 cell phone. It's an old phone, but a lot of people are still using it. Everything you do is in your own risk. I am not responsible for any damage that cause your device. These are videos for education purpose only. Thank you. Before we do it, we have to make sure the SIM card is inserted. So to check it out, we need to remove the back cover. So you see this little arrow here, just press it, and right there, and then with your nail leave the battery, and you see right there is the SIM card. It's a T-Mobile phone, so if the SIM card is not there, then you're not gonna be able to do it. Remember, everything will be removed. So to put the battery back, just go like this, push it, make sure this gold connection match the gold connections in the phone. You just go like this, put it back, and then close it like this, and then slice it. That's it. Okay, remember doing this method, everything will be removed. Okay, so now let's power the phone right here. Okay, it took me like 1 minute to turn it on. Okay, now that we are here, it says no service, but it doesn't matter. So right here, you see this like this minus sign right here. Just click it right there, press it, and there is the home screen. So from here, we need to go to settings right here. So with the left and right, you can move and down. Okay, right there, and then click OK. And then number 2 is phone settings, and then we select that, and then OK, and then we go to the last one, number 6, reset settings. OK, and then right here we're gonna do the master reset. Okay, so click select number 1 and click OK. Remember, everything will be removed. Okay, if you have pictures, videos, or contacts, you need to save them because it will be removed. Everything is gonna be like the first time you turn it on. So after you select master reset, press OK. All settings reset to default continue. Okay, select yes, and a security code. Okay, that's your password, but if you don't have it, just in case you don't have it, just type 4 zeros. That's the default password. You see, okay, click OK. See, right now it's doing it. Okay, complete. So now we go again, click it one more time, reset, and now we go to the master clear. Okay, so number 2, select it, okay. Master clear phone 1, yes, okay. All settings reset to default value, and all data will be deleted. Continue, yes, I don't care. The security code 4 zeros. Okay. Okay guys, that's the way you do it. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it helped you. Please give me like, subscribe, and check my other videos. Okay, now it's gonna restart. Okay, so now let's check it out. Let's see if I have contacts. You see, I don't have any contacts. No contacts because I delete everything. I don't have pictures, nothing. Let's say my folder, pictures. No, this is only like example pictures from the phone. I don't have nothing, so it's all set up. Okay, that's the way you do it. Thank you so much. Have a good day.